Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's Classroom. Today, let's talk about stop and wait ARQ protocol in data link layer. Before starting, let's find out the key points regarding stop and wait ARQ protocol. It's very much simple. Frames are sent one at a time. Each frame must be acknowledged by the receiver. So if there is no acknowledgement from the receiver, the sender receives the frame. So that's the concept behind stop and wait ARQ protocol. So let's find out the process. Right now, the sender is ready with the frames for transmission. And there is one timer. So what is the utility of the timer? Actually, if within the time frame there is no acknowledgement from the server, the sender will receive the frame again. So that's the purpose of timer. Now let's proceed. So now the sender is sending the first frame to the receiver and waiting for the acknowledgement from the server. So right now the sender can't send any more frame. Okay. After getting the frame, the server or the receiver actually sends the acknowledgement to the sender. Okay. So right now the sender is ready with the next frame because it got the acknowledgement from the receiver. But for the next frame, due to network problem, there is a loss of frame, right? So what will be the next process? Let's find out. Okay, now, so there is no acknowledgement, right, from the receiver. So the client will or the sender will wait for the time frame, right? And after that, it will again send the frame. So that's the process. Okay. So again, the sender is getting the acknowledgement from the receiver and it is ready with the next frame. But in this process, there is one problem. If somehow the ACK is lost, okay, there is no acknowledgement due to network problem, but the receiver got the frame, then what will happen? The sender will again send the same frame, right? That means there is a chance of duplicate frames at the receiver side, right? So to avoid the problem, we can have sequence number with the frames. So let's find out the process. So right now at the sender side, we have frames with sequence number. Now the sender is sending the frame to the receiver, and after getting the frame, the receiver will send the acknowledgement to the sender. So there is acknowledgement to the sender. Yes. So the sender is again sending the next frame. Yes. So there is no problem till now. And this is the case. So right now, due to network problem, the acknowledgement from the receiver are lost due to network problem, right? So next, what the client will do? Okay. Again, due to timer timeout, the sender will again send the frame number 1, right, with sequence 1. Now here the receiver will detect, right, there's a duplicate frame number, right? So due to this sequence number, the system will reject the duplicate frames, right? So that's the concept behind the sequence number, and the entire process will follow the same concept. So this is the process regarding stop and wait ARQ protocol. And it's a very much simple protocol, but some problems are there. Actually, in case of network utilization, it is very much poor because the entire bandwidth is unutilized, right, for the time being until the sender got the acknowledgement from the receiver. So that's the problem with stop and wait ARQ protocol. So thank you all. If you have any doubt, any query regarding stop and wait ARQ protocol, feel free to communicate with me through the comment section. Thank you.